For the state of the realm, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the DigiTax E-Invoicing Compliance Breakfast. Today, we're here to move beyond awareness to understanding and from understanding to action. This event right here will give businesses the clarity that they need to navigate e-invoicing more confidently, to understand their obligations.
That for every invoice you generate, you need to be able to sign that table. So it means that for every account, there is a cryptographic key that comes with that account.
Part of the solution that we have been mandated by NRS to then provide is what they call the Digitax dashboard, which will also show you in a demo how the Digitax dashboard works, will help you be compliant.
My name is Neseta Nyaga. I'm the marketing manager at Namiri. Digitax is a brand that we have in the market. We are in Kenya, Zambia, Nigeria, and soon rolling out in the UAE space. What we have is a tax e-invoicing solution that's integrates into different revenue authorities' tax portals to help businesses comply with a new policy and mandates that's called e-invoicing. In Nigeria today, we've had the Digitax E-Invoicing Compliance Breakfast this morning, and what we're trying to do with these events that we are holding and the different forums that we are holding is basically to educate the taxpayer and demystify tax as it is.
Hi, my name is Olumide. I lead the team at Digitax in Nigeria as country director. And we are at the breakfast, the E-Invoicing Breakfast that was organized to sort of engage with business leaders, CEOs, CFOs on the e-invoicing mandate of the Nigeria Revenue Service, the NRS. At Digitax, we are one of the licensed service providers. We are licensed as both a system integrator and an access point provider. This means that we are able to provide this service for end-to-end for our customers, from integrating with their ERPs to transmitting integrated invoices or formatted invoices to the NRS on their behalf.